How do you say Thursday in Portuguese? The word Thursday in Portuguese is quinta-feira. Quinta-feira. Quinta-feira temos treino. Quinta-feira temos treino. We have training on Thursday. A aula foi adiada para quinta. A aula foi adiada para quinta. The class was moved to Thursday. Hoje é quinta-feira. Hoje é quinta-feira. Today is Thursday. The word quinta means fifth in Portuguese, and these names are unique to Portuguese. A lot of other languages name the days of the week after gods. Like in English we have Thursday, which is named after Thor, but in Portuguese you simply say the fifth day of the week. So starting with Sunday, Sunday is the first, Monday is the second, Tuesday is the third, Wednesday is the fourth, and Thursday is the fifth. And people often refer to Thursday as simply quinta. But if you want to say Thursday in Portuguese, you can say quinta-feira. And if you want to learn to speak Portuguese, you can get my course 3-Minute Portuguese at www.3minlanguages.com. Use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Obrigado!